back to the Tap Series, Season 1, Episode 3. So if you haven't seen Episode 1 or 2, I will have them linked below, so check those videos out first and then come back to this video. Okay, so this is the last episode before next week when we learn the final tap routine. So if you guys happen to like today's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Okay, without further ado, let's get tapping. Alright guys, we're going to start with a quick tap warm-up, okay? We're going to start with marches on the spot. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Shake it out. We're going to do flaps, which is just a brush toe. We're going to do them for 8. We're going to go from front to side. Get yourself ready. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Shake that foot out. We're going to do the other side. Front to side. Flaps. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Shake both feet out. We're going to do a deep stretch. Up and over. We're going to hold for 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Other side. Bring it over. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Shake it all out. All right. Let's do some tapping now. Okay, so for the first tap move, we're going to be learning some shuffles and then some half circles going back. So what you're going to do is you're going to start with your right foot and you're going to do shuffle together and then left foot shuffle together and then right foot shuffle together. So it's just brush, brush, shuffle together, then left foot shuffle together, right foot shuffle together. So making it go a little bit faster, it's shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Let's do it again. So it's right, left, right. Here we go. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. And as you can see, they are going to the side. You're not shuffling forward. You're shuffling to the side. So shuffle to the right, left, right. So 1, 2, 3, together. Bring that right foot in. So shuffle, shuffle, shuffle together. Okay, doing it a bit faster, we go. 1, 2, 3, together. Let's do it again. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, together. And make sure you're doing right, left, right together with that right foot. Let's do it again. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, together. And your arms are just hanging loose, swing them around, whatever you want to do. That is totally optional. I just have them down by my sides, and I'm just kind of swinging them as I do my shuffles. So let's do it one more time, and then we will work on the half circles going backwards. So we go 1, 2, 3, together. Now from here, you're going to go back with your right foot, and you're going to go 1, and you're making like a half circle with that right foot right, and then you're going to do left, right, together. So it goes right, left, right, together. So making that half circle, right, left, right, together. So you're not really bringing your foot out to the front as much. You're kind of bringing it out slightly and then bringing it back. So you're more focusing on pushing it back. So you're going right, left, right, together. Bringing that right foot in. So not really the focus of bringing it forward. It's more just kind of pushing it back, 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 which is right, left, right. Bring that right foot in. And as I'm doing that, I'm kind of bringing my body forward. So I'm bringing my body forward as I do the half circles going back. So I go right, left, right, together. It's almost like you're skating, but you're bringing yourself forward and you're swinging your arms. So let's do it again. We go right, left, right, together. So let's do the shuffles and then half circles together. So we go right, left, right, together. We go back, 2, 3, together. And once again, the reminder for the half circles, it's right, left, right, together. Bring that right foot in. Let's do it one more time. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, together. 1, 2, 3, together. Okay, now for the last tap move, I'm going to face the back for this. And you're going to start with your right foot, and you're going to do brush toe. Just like you're doing a flap, so it's a flap. Brush toe. Now from here, your left foot, you're going to lift up your heel, and you're going to go heel, and then heel. So heel with the left foot, and then heel with the right foot. So it's brush toe with the right, then left heel, right heel. So doing it again, we go brush, toe, heel, heel. And then the next part, your left foot is going to do a brush going back. So I kind of lift my heel, I lift the toes up and the heel is down, and then I brush back with my left. So from the top, it goes brush, toe, heel, heel, brush. So again, you're lifting that heel, you're lifting the toes up, heel is down slightly, and then brush it back. Mainly using the ball of your foot as you brush back. So going from the top, we go brush, toe, heel, heel, brush. Now, I almost did it there. After you do the brush, you're going to lift up your right foot and you're going to heel. So you brush back with your left, then you pick your right foot, or pick your right heel up, then bring it down. So it's like brush, heel. So again from the top, we go brush, toe, heel, heel, brush, heel. And when I say heel, I mean heel with my right as we brush the left foot back. So brush, heel. Let's do it again. We go brush, toe, heel, heel, brush, heel. Now from here, you're going to bring your left toe down. So it comes down, and then you're going to heel again with your right foot. So we go brush, heel, toe, heel. So we pick the toes up with that left foot, we brush back, then heel, toe, heel. So going from the top, we go brush, toe, heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel. Trying it again, we go brush, toe, heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel. And then from here, you're going to brush your left foot back to front, and then heel with that right foot. So we have our left foot up in the air, we brush it to front, and then heel with that right foot. So the whole thing from the top of the tap move, we go brush, toe, heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel, brush, heel. Let's try it again a bit faster. Ready, and brush, toe, heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel, brush, heel. One more time. Here we go. Ready, and brush, toe, heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel, brush, heel. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to run the tap moves, and I'm not going to say anything, and we're going to go from the first one to the last tap move we learned today. So starting with the shuffles, and then the half circles going back. Ready, and. Okay, and the last tap move, get yourself ready, starting with that right foot. Ready, and. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed today's episode of the Tap series, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And again, stay tuned for next week where we learn the final tap routine. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.